May 12, 2021, before sunrise, bright Jupiter, in front of Aquarius, is in the southeast before sunrise. Saturn is to the upper right of Jupiter, in Capricornus. In a few mornings, Saturn begins to retrograde. Chart caption: 2021, May 12, morning. Planets Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeastern sky before sunrise. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:33 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:01 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Morning sky. The morning planet parade starts with bright Jupiter and Saturn low in the southeastern sky before sunrise. Jupiter is brighter than all the stars in the morning sky. It is 21.0 degrees up in the southeast. It is slowly trekking eastward in front of the stars of Aquarius. Use a binocular to spot the star Iota Aquarii, Iota Acra on the chart, 1.5 degrees to the lower right of the planet. Make observations each clear morning to note the orientation of Jupiter compared to the star as well as its distance from the stellar signpost. Saturn, brighter than most of the stars this morning, but dimmer than Jupiter, is over 16 degrees to the upper right of the Jovian giant. The ringed wonder is 0.7 degrees to the right of Theta Capricorni, Theta Cap. In 3 mornings, Saturn seems to stop moving eastward compared to the star. During the next few days, it does not appear to move much compared to that seemingly fixed point in space. As Saturn revolves around the Sun, it does not stop in its orbital path. Rather, this is an illusion from our faster-moving planet overtaking Saturn. Compared to the background stars, Saturn seems to stop moving eastward and appears to move backwards or westward. Watch Saturn with a binocular compared to Theta Capricorni. The gap between them opens slowly at first. Then it widens noticeably each day. The Sun's appearance interrupts the planet parade. Venus, Moon, Mercury, and Mars are visible after sunset. Detailed note: 1 hour before sunrise, bright Jupiter is 21.0 degrees up in the southeast. It is 1.5 degrees to the upper left of Iota Acra. Saturn, over 24 degrees up in the south-southeast, is 16.4 degrees to the upper right of Jupiter. Saturn is 0.7 degrees to the right of Theta Cap. 3 planets are on display after sunset. 30 minutes after sundown, brilliant Venus is over 5 degrees up in the west-northwest. Use a binocular to locate the razor-thin moon, 1.3D, 1% 1.2 degrees to the left of Venus. This is the closest pairing of Venus and the Moon during this evening apparition of the planet. 15 minutes later, the Venus-Moon pair is still about 3 degrees above the horizon. Mercury, M equals -0.1, is 9.1 degrees to the upper left of Venus. 1 hour after sunset, Mercury is nearly 9 degrees above the west-northwest horizon with Mars over 28 degrees to its upper left. In the starfield, Mars is 1.8 degrees to the upper left of Epsilon Gem and 4.8 degrees to the right of Zeta Gem. Read more about the planets during May 2021. 2021, May 12, spectacular Venus-Moon grouping. May 12, 2021, 30 minutes after sunset, the razor-thin moon is 1.2 degrees to the left of brilliant Venus. This is the closest grouping of the Moon and Venus during this evening appearance of the brilliant planet. Mercury is 9.1 degrees to the upper left of Venus. Mars maintains its eastward march in Gemini. Sirius and Aldebaran are near their heliacal settings, their final appearances in the evening sky for the year. 2021, May 11, planets march on. May 11, 2021, the planet parade continues today. 5 planets are on display. Bright Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeastern sky before sunrise. After sundown, brilliant Venus, Mercury, and Mars are in the western sky. The Moon is at its new phase and at apogee today. 2021, May 10, 5 planets on parade. May 10, 2021, 5 planets are on display. Jupiter and Saturn are visible in the southeastern sky before sunrise. Brilliant Venus, Mercury, and Mars shine from the western sky after sunset. Only the Sun disrupts a continuous view of the 5 worlds. 2021, May 9, planets on parade. May 9, 2021, look for 5 planets today. Jupiter and Saturn are visible in the southeast before sunrise. Venus, Mercury, and Mars are in the western sky after sunset. 2021, May 8, watch the planet parade. May 8, 2021, 5 planets are visible during morning and evening appearances. Jupiter and Saturn are visible before sunrise. Daylight interrupts the viewing until evening, when Venus, Mercury, and Mars are visible in the west after sundown.